everyone, welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 18 of English, and the name of the chapter is Essay Writing. So we all know what essay writing is. किसी भी एक टॉपिक पर हम जब उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन ऐड करते हैं, किसी एक टॉपिक पर ही लगातार बहुत सारी चीजें लिखते हैं, उसके बारे में चीजें ऐड ऑन करते हैं, तो उसे हम एक ऐसे कहते हैं, राइट? सो जैसे कि यहाँ पर हमें एक टॉपिक दिया हुआ है विच इज पोस्टमैन, राइट? सो पोस्टमैन पे हमें क्या क्या चीजें दी हुई हैं, लेट्स रीड, जल्दी से इसको एक बार रीड करते हैं. द पोस्टमैन इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन फॉर अस. He is a government servant. His uniform is khaki. He carries a bag. The postman brings us letters, parcels, money, orders, etc. from our friends and relatives. He goes from door to door to deliver letters, etc. A postman's duty is very hard. In the morning, he goes to the post office. There, he collects letters for us. He keeps on working in heat and cold and rain. He is educated. He can read addresses in villages. He even reads and writes letters for the villagers. The postman is an important member of our society. We should give him due regards. Right? So, जैसे कि आपने देखा कि पोस्टमैन के बारे में हमें यहाँ सारी चीजें बताई कि वो क्या करता है, उसका क्या काम है, उनकी क्या एजुकेशन होती है, क्या कहाँ कहाँ जाकर वो काम करते हैं, वो किस किस सिचुएशन में काम करते हैं, उनकी ड्यूटीज क्या क्या होती हैं, एवरीथिंग एंड ऑल, राइट? सो दिस इज ओनली नोन एज एसे राइटिंग, कि आपको जो भी एक टॉपिक दिया हुआ है, आप उसके बारे में जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको पता है वो सब आप लिखो, राइट? सेम गोज विद द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक वी हैव बीन गिवन, दैट इज ऑफ आवर फादर, राइट? तो एक बार फादर का भी ऐसे हम लोग पढ़ लेते हैं. So my father's name is Sushant Goyal. He lives in Delhi. He is about 50 years old. He is an advocate. He is the oldest member of his family. He puts a simple dress. He wears shirt and trouser. When he goes to court, he wears black coat. In winter, he puts a woolen coat. His clothes are always clean. He wears black shoes. He is very simple by nature. He never gets angry. He possesses good health. His personality is grand. He fights with honesty. He never charged heavy fees from his clients. He is very honest. He never deceives anybody. His behavior is very kind. He always tries to satisfy his clients. He is good. He is God-fearing person. He hates the people who tell lies. He gets up early in the morning at 5 o'clock. He goes for a walk and returns at 6 o'clock. He goes to the court at 10 o'clock. He never misses court. He returns home at 6 o'clock in the evening. He goes to library in the night to study more about laws. After dinner at the night, he goes to bed for sleep. He is the head of the family. Everyone obeys him. I love him very much and he is much popular among his colleagues. राइट? तो आपने देखा कि यहाँ पर एक चाइल्ड ने अपने फादर को एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है, लाइक व्हाट इज हिज वर्क, व्हाट डज ही डू, वो क्या काम करते हैं, उनका नेचर कैसा है, उनका पूरे दिन का जितना भी सारा रूटीन था वो एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन इज ही, राइट? सो दिस इज ओनली व्हाट इज नोन एज एसे राइटिंग. यहाँ पर हमें कुछ और भी एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हुए हैं जो कि है माई our hobby, a visit to a zoo, right? So you all can read them by your own and get your essay writing skills clear, right? So this was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all liked the video. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.